Hi and welcome to another haircutting video on the KMS Pro channel. My name is Daniel and I'm a member of the KMS Global Style Council. Today I'm going to show you how to do a haircut on a man and reduce the weight. So I start in my section by reducing the bulk with the razor from the roots, and then by starting from the hairline, going from shorter into longer by leaving the top the same length as I want the fringe to be. So I do that from both sides and then they meet in the middle and that's my sides done. To connect the fringe with the sides and connect sides and the hair on the top together, there's a technique I always use. I start with the section and now using the guide here on the sides and cut in the length of the fringe I want, and then I will start elevating the sections up and will in one run cut sides and top length. I shampooed his hair with TAMEFRIZZ Shampoo. So now I'm going to apply the MOISTREPAIR Revival Creme. That product is a leave-in conditioner and is for any hair type. So it does make a nice shine in the hair. So for the styling, I'm going to use the HAIRPLAY Molding Paste. Now I'm going to dry it naturally with my fingers and the diffuser. So you use small amount, just rub it into your hands and then bring it into the hair. For bend styling, I'm going to use the HAIRSTAY Molding Pomade. Now I'm using a small amount, just massage it into the texture. I hope you enjoyed Ben's look. For more videos every week, go on the KMS Pro channel.